Hi, I'm Miss Kristen of the Oosterhout Free Library. When I wake up in the morning, I'm a little bit hungry, so I might want to have some breakfast. If I'm going to have breakfast, I might want to have some pancakes. And if I'm going to have pancakes with breakfast, I'm probably going to want some syrup to go with them, just like Pig in the classic story, If You Give a Pig a Pancake. I'm going to share that story with you today because it was just Pancake Day, and Monday is Flapjack Day. I'll also share some fun STEM activities inspired by the story that you can do at home. Now, STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. So, we'll do some computer science by coding the sequence of the story. Then you can build an indoor fort, and maybe you'll even choose to make your own pancakes and more. So let's begin the story. If you give a pig a pancake. Now see if you can remember all the things that pig does in the story. Let's begin. If You Give a Pig a Pancake, written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond, published by HarperCollins Books. If you give a pig a pancake, she'll want some syrup to go with it. You'll give her some of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably get all sticky. So she'll want to take a bath. She'll ask you for some bubbles. When you give her the bubbles, she'll probably ask you for a toy. You'll have to find your rubber duck. The duck will remind her of the farm where she was born. She might feel homesick and want to visit her family. She'll want you to come too. She'll look through your closet for a suitcase. Then she'll look under your bed. When she's under the bed, she'll find your old tap shoes. She'll try them on. She'll probably need something special to wear with them. When she's all dressed, she'll ask for some music. You'll play your very best piano piece, and she'll start dancing. Then she'll want you to take her picture. So you'll have to get your camera. When she sees the picture, she'll ask you to take more. Then she'll want to send one to each of her friends. You'll have to give her some envelopes and stamps. And take her to the mailbox. On the way, she'll see the tree in your backyard. She'll want to build a tree house. So you'll have to get her some wood, a hammer, and some nails. When the treehouse is finished, she'll want to decorate it. She'll ask for wallpaper and glue. When she hangs the wallpaper, she'll get all sticky. Feeling sticky will remind her of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if she asks you for some syrup, she'll want a pancake to go with it. The end. It sure was a busy day for Pig and the girl. That pig sure wanted a lot of things. Do you remember what they were and in what order? Because today we're going to make an algorithm or set of instructions using the sequence of the activities that Pig did in the story. Creating an algorithm or sequence of instructions is a building block of computer science called coding. Coders are people who write the directions or code for computers to follow. So let's code the story. Now, the story is full of if-then statements. If you give a pig a pancake, then she'll probably want some syrup to go with it. So we're going to sequence the story in the correct order using this map. Now, you can use your own piece of paper to make your own map. You can pause the video, or you can even print the map out. I'll include a link in the description box below. So you're going to see, get the pig from the start to the end of the story. Can you help Pig get to the end of the story? So what was the first thing that the pig wanted first? And if you don't remember, you can always go back and listen to the story again. And then you're going to draw an arrow to show what happens next in the story. So if the pig wants a pancake, you're going to draw an arrow from the pig to the pancake. See if you can help get Pig to the end of the story. In the story, Pig asked the girl to take her picture. Then she sent the pictures in letters to her friends. A lot of letters. Did you notice something different about the camera that the girl used? Did it look a little different to you? Now, the story was written in 1998 when people did not have cameras on their phones like they do today. But they did have instant cameras, which took a picture and instantly printed them out. They're still around today, they're just not as common because technology has changed a bit since then. In the story, Pig mails the pictures and letters to all of her friends. So why don't you send a letter to a friend or family member just like Pig? Well, maybe not as many letters as Pig, because that was way too much. Think about the technology that you use today. Will you take a picture on your phone and send it in an email? Or will you print it out and maybe stick it in a letter to send to a family member or friend? Maybe you'll just draw a picture and send it to them in a letter. Or maybe you'll make a short video message to send. Well, whatever you choose, I'm sure that they will be happy to get a message from you. In the story, Pig built a treehouse. You can build or engineer your own fort inside. You ask your family to help gather materials and choose a good location in your house. Some suggested building materials include sheets or blankets, chairs or sofas, cushions or pillows, and more. Be creative. So go ahead and try and build your fort and see what you come up with. And then give it a name. Have fun. Make your own pancakes or flapjacks. Practice some math skills by measuring the ingredients to make your own pancakes or flapjacks. Now, here's something interesting. Here in the United States, Americans also call pancakes the word flapjacks. Have you ever heard that word before? Flapjacks? It's not used as much as the word pancakes is. But in England, flapjacks are quite different and are more like a granola bar made with oats and baked in the oven. Try making one for yourself with this easy 4-ingredient recipe that I'll include in the description box below. I'll also include a kid-friendly recipe for pancakes too. Whichever activities you choose, I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye!